Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Numbers Olidian. I'm a student at Google University and I'm your instructor through computer basics and skills. We've been looking at Microsoft Excel and today we are going to be looking at the different errors in Microsoft Excel. There are quite a number of them, but we're going to look at some few common ones, right? Yeah. So let's begin right away. The first error I'm going to talk about is hash div. Let me see whether I can get it for you. Open brackets. This divided by this, shift close brackets, and the error is right here. This error, hash div divided by 0, this error occurs when a number is divided by 0. Like you've seen, I've divided this number divided by this empty cell, which is literally a 0, so it gave me that error. That is error number 1. The way of correcting it is by ensuring the denominator is not a 0. Okay, yes, we shall move on to the next. The next is going to be hash ref. Now for that, I'll show you by first of all deleting this. Delete. Yeah, now you're seeing this. Ref error appears when a cell in a formula becomes invalid. For example, if the cell referencing does not it often happens when you delete a row. Like I deleted a row and this average was formulated based on the row or the column that I have deleted. Yeah, so it will show you ref showing that there's no cell reference, there's nothing you're referring to get this average. Okay, yeah, and one way of fixing it is to undo the delete if possible. I'm going to undo the delete and it's corrected. Yes. Then another one we are going to be looking at is the name. This error indicates that Excel does not recognize a name being used in the formula. For example, if I want to get the sum here equals sum, we've looked at these functions in the previous video. If I want to get sum, equals sum. Now instead of typing sum, if I type sum, then I say open brackets, maybe the sum of these, and then I close bracket and say enter. It will give me name, indicating that the formula that I have used is not the correct formula. Okay, that Excel does not recognize a name being used in the formula. And how can you correct it? You can correct it by double checking on the formula you've used. Now, like, yeah, I'm going to double check on my formula. I realize that the spelling of sum is not correct, and what will I do? I'll correct it. After correcting it, it will give me the sum, as you can see. Yes. The next one we are going to be looking at is hash value. This error indicates that the formula contains the wrong type of argument or operand. This happens when you try to perform a mathematical operation on a text. Okay? For example, if I want to get the sum here, I'll say equals open brackets. If now I want to get the sum of maybe this, which has a figure, as you can see, plus maybe this, yet this does not actually have a figure, it has words or a name. Then I close bracket and say enter. It will give me hash value, showing that what I'm trying to add, they're not actually figures. I'm trying to add a figure and a name. And how do you correct it? You just check on what you've added. Just look at the two cells that you've added. If I've added this and this one contains a word and not a number, I'll just have to correct it by making the right, by adding onto the right cell. Okay, maybe that plus that, and I close bracket, say enter. It will be giving me the value that I want. Thank you so much for staying tuned into for watching all my videos. Thank you so much. Always share, like, and subscribe. Thank you so much. We'll meet in the next video.